shit. So that is a common story. Of course, the issues are, whenever we are talking about files, it is dealt by multiple levels. There are joint secretaries, it goes to chief secretary's file, and it is a sinusoidal. A file which is moved by a secretary, it lands up at the LDC table or the receipt and dispatch section. So there are always sinusoidal way when the decision is taken. And further, all the government offices, they are continuously on the move. So how files keep on waiting. Even graphically, we say, is it going to be that simple? There is a start, there is a intermediary process, and let's say it is ended. Answer is no, because it's a little bit in Hindi also. There you have to move. It is always in multiple languages. Some department, some office, some officer, some this thing. It's always referred. It goes to your general administration department. It goes to law. It goes to finance. And you don't know, and it is never fixed. So that flexibility is always required. Sometimes it is very sacrosanct. The question is asked, how did you move this file directly? So many of these processes, yes, it is sacrosanct. So at the end of the day, you are faced these questions. And then there is another concept which we call committees. So many of these decisions, it is taken, the decision is ultimately taken by a committee. Many times, even if it is a simple minutes of meeting, it requires something around 6 to 7 days of a hard work when you actually run with that file to each and every department and say, the secretary sir is around, I need a signature on this joint committee meeting or join this minutes of meeting. Even you take a simplest this thing. So we thought how it moves. So any DAC or any file, actually it comes and lands up at the receipt and dispatch section. That receipt Babu is the one who actually is the single point of contact. Every file, whether the minister has signed, it ultimately lands up there. Then it goes to section clerk and then moves up in the ladder. But in between, any time it can travel horizontally or vertically. You don't know. Further, every decision which is taken, there is a note sheet. There is something which is means it is a lifeline for me and you. We all know that. So anything happens, say, find out that note sheet. What was written? So, and what all is written? It's almost 100-year-old system on which we all are working. It has two components. One is, of course, the attributes. It talks about when it was created, who is the section owner, who has actually created. There are time stamping, the file number, the subject matter, so on and so forth. Plus, there are multiple decisions with signatures. So those signatures, on what background that decision was taken, all these things are actually important for me and you. With this background, we started. In a nutshell, whenever you talk about the technology, so there are two kind of a technology which you feel. So in a layman's language, we say, if you want to purchase a shoe, and if it is from a technology vendor, so either he will show you a shoe number 12 because he has only that kind of a box. So he will say, this is the latest technology. Now you can have a good air in your feet. There are a second group of technology providers. They will say, they will talk to your boss. They will say, this fellow is going out of his shoe. 2 of his fingers need to be clipped. And the right size for him is number 5. But they don't appreciate whenever this kind of out of box and something is. So there are large number of key areas where we feel that there needs to be technology innovation. It talks about dark movement. So there are multiple registries. So many of the departments, they even tried out file tracking or dark tracking system. But half of it is manual, half of it is automatic. So again, it was same way it was happening with files also. And there are tons and truckloads of archive files. What's going to happen? And secondly, whenever you are putting up a file, one question is being asked, there is a related file, there is a part file, there is a shadow file. Have you collated that? These are the basic things which you need. In a even simpler term, when we say half of the time you're wasted, you say you are waiting for a file. There is a staff who is actually keeping that file in a cupboard, and he is the owner of that file. So unless until that Bhagwan is not khush, you cannot get that file. It's as simple as that. There is a staff, he'll say, I am searching for that file. I don't know, that person is not ever around, so I am what? Then another question, answer which you get is, I am working on that file. There are certain note sheets and all, they say, many someone else is doing, someone is saying that person is doing, and they are all working on that file. You want to know where is that file? So again, you have a set of answers which you get. There is a responsible person, he is not around, or so it has gone to some other department. There is a shadow file, there is a part file which is available, and many times for a decision, the person says, I am out of Mantralaya, I am on tour, there is a question in Vidhan Sabha, I am in Vidhan Sabha, somebody says, the boss is actually gone for a meeting in Delhi, so he is out of Mantralaya. Another thing which you felt is, whenever you ask how many people in the Mantralaya, they know about computers, how computer literate, how many can work, we need to install a system. Don't ask that question, because the way they shake their head, then you may be asked that this person is responsible for many of the neck dislocation. All of them will say no. But when you ask, okay, do you have a Facebook account? They will say yes. If you ask them, are you still writing a postcard, using postcard or England letter? They will say no, I am sending an email. That was the two key area which we thought, that what happens if we create a system which just looks like an email. It's not more complicated than an email. Secondly, the look, feel, or the effort which is required is somewhat similar to these kind of a social sites, which they feel comfortable. So all the task is there on their mailbox, and it includes the files and tasks all put together. Second jump which they get, when you say now it is going to be a box kind of a thing, the look, colors and all these things, they are conversant with one set of a thing. They are looking at it, they are comfortable for last 100 years, or at least you can say last 60 years. So they are comfortable looking at those note sheet with the two parallel lines. I don't know if it is slightly different in any other part of the country, but in Chhattisgarh it is like that. So in Mantralaya it is a green note sheet. If it is outside Mantralaya in a directorate, it is a white note sheet, and some department they have on their own. But on the other side of this is that entire relevant documents which are kept. The entire system has to be like that, so that they don't get that jerky feeling that okay, now it is something else. Another thing is that normally there is a dark runner or there is a peon book. So every transaction, it stops there for some minutes, and then they say that it's getting an entry in this. Can we automate that? Because that can reduce that entire time considerably. And there won't, if we automate that, that is not a very high value this thing, and this can be easily automated because the entire transaction is electronic. So further, because within the Mantralaya also, within your office also, people get, their faces keeps on changing. Today there is a Ramlal, tomorrow there will be a Shyamlal. So, but you know that person by either his designation or by his name. Even if you are sending to some other departments, many times it slips you, who is that person right now there. So quickly, just like email, can I search that name and can forward that file. Within your organization also, once you are 40 plus, so this name remembering becomes a problem. So that is something, just like your email, it automatically search from that particular section or something, that kind of a slight intelligence that can be quickly built in, and then this entire file and dark forwarding and this thing becomes very easy. Another thing was searching a file. People are very confident. Whenever you ask something, there is a good thing which has come in the technology. They all Google. So you ask any question on this earth, all of them, they will immediately Google and find out something. We thought, if you want to search your file, why can't we scan the entire thing, all the important files? We said, whatever are important files, can we scan it? Can we make it intelligent? Can we do a OCR? And can we make it searchable? If that is there, so normally it happens, rather than going and searching in that file room or record room, they start Googling it, or within that system only they start searching it. So another thing which we said, this is an area where we waste a lot of time and we don't know when that file is actually going to come to your table. So let's make it searchable. That way you are not even dependent on a particular section or particular person. You can quickly search. It may be immediate, it may be of the last year, it may be a different financial year, or it may be as long as 10 years old. So as long as that any file is important, depending upon the life cycle of that important, if it is a purchase file, if it is a appointment file or something like that sort of thing, you can do that thing and quickly search for that file. Further, there are many such documents which comes. Problem is when you mark that file to that section, unfortunately, invariably you find out that it has that particular paper which has 100 times you have said, please be sure that this file goes in this letter or this document goes in that file. You will find it attached to a different file altogether. This is something which you can quickly search for that document also, and at any point of a time you can actually search that document and can make it a part of your file. Or in the beginning itself, whenever you are marking or that particular section person you are this thing, you can, if once you can say, so that is actually tagged to that particular file, then goes in that file only. Further, at the end of the day, at around 5, our Mantralaya, the official time is 5:30. By 5:30, if you ask, you will find everyone, they are all overworked and they have done a great job and they want to leave for the home. What all they have done in the whole day, how many files they have done, there's multiple type of such reports on a dashboard you can find out. It can evaluate even your own efficiency. So sometimes even at the end of the day, even when I see my dashboard, I really have to think for the whole day, might be happening with many of you. So what you have done, if you ask yourself, you say I have met 100 or 150 person in my chamber. They keep on barging. So this particular thing can give you that indication what all is happening, what is your personal utilization, and you can even, whenever you feel that you need to actually reduce a load for a particular section, so you can quickly, two things which you can do, whenever there is a transfer, superannuation and this thing, any of the government officers, whenever they want, they can actually create those things. It doesn't need a back-end system administrator to actually reroute those things. You can assign any role anytime and you can push that. Another thing which is there are many meetings and it normally coincides. So if you have this kind of a dashboard where you know who all are meeting, who are the officers who are coming, just like net meeting or chatting, similar kind of this thing, where of course for the government we all know it has to be very formal. So at least those availability and those alerts that can be generated within that system. So this is another thing which has been this thing. It also has a parallel HRMS also, because many of those darks actually, there was a problem of utilization or adoption. So once they see, there is a value proposition for themselves, that they can see that their casual leave, how many leaves are left, all that can be searched, all that can be transparently available to them. Even a person who is nearing a retirement, for him it becomes very easy. It's a simple and easy to adopt because he sees some value in adoption of that system. Entire look feel was kept the way they used to see. Now it is of course electronic, so they can quickly search that. So now post automation, now slight difference which has come is whenever you are saying I am waiting for the file, you can quickly search from the repository of the scanned documents, scanned files. So they are neatly there in that thing. There is a strong document automation system which is working behind it, and you can quickly retrieve your file. You don't have to depend on anyone. Forwarding, making multiple copies, forwarding it to any one or many department or many officer is pretty simple. Nobody can hoodwink saying he is working on the file, because you know how much is there. All these references and all, if they are he is pulling, immediately you come to know that these are all whatever is asking from other departments and all. Now it is all searchable. You can quickly refer those things even within your department also. You cannot say I need to search it in the record room. You can quickly. Similarly, the flagging, annotating, all these things are very much there. The biggest thing is when there are multiple files which are actually not within your departments, they keep on traveling to other departments. For example, if you are sending for a budget allocation, so your file normally moves to the other department like finance or some other things. For example, if it is IT file, it goes to the concerned department, and with their concurrence it goes to the finance. So you quickly know where exactly that file is, and electronically you can push and send reminders and all whatever action you need. And whenever you are traveling, normally it happens that when you are actually reaching your for the meeting this thing, all of a sudden there is a important file which is pending on your table. So even while waiting for your flight on the airport, if you have an iPad or your laptop connected to the internet, you can actually carry your entire record room and entire office on your laptop, on your iPad, and quickly do your work. Two typical situations where we all must have felt miserable in your lifetime, in your service time. One is during assembly session, when there are hundreds of questions which you need to answer. That also there is a critical timelines and then he leaves that office. Little bit of background how we did it. So the very first thing, because we were a bit lucky that there was a shifting from old Mantralaya to the new Mantralaya. The secretariat was being shifted to new Mantralaya. So that time, that was a chance that many of the officers, they were scared that what will happen during this transition if their files are lost. So we intervened and said, sir, this is one time we can actually convert it into an entire thing into electronic format, and then you can rest assured that at least you have one copy. Even if the hard copy is lost or the original file is lost, you have an electronic copy which is a replica, and you can recreate that thing. And actually, it happened that when that entire department shifted to the new Mantralaya, so because there was so truckloads of papers which got mixed up, so that is the time then they actually saw the value in it, where they can quickly search for that file, recreate that, and had actually literal sense, had a sunset for the manual files. So far, what we have done is, initially, of course, the simple scanning doesn't end all your worries. So it needs a proper metadata also, cleaning of the files, because there are many files which are pretty old. So it needs to be properly pruned, and that quality checking and all, so that many of the handwritten and the marks and all, they are electronically screened. that metadata is also very important, because this gives you a one-time, once in a lifetime opportunity where you can actually ensure that the entire files in your department is set right once for all. Because even when we were scanning, we found many of the page numbers and dates, timestamping, they were missing. Many of them were actually scattered. There were multiple files with the same name, same subject. So that also, because it was electronic, it was searchable, that metadata. So quickly it was, means any officers with this thing, little bit of knowledge, they can, with the domain knowledge, was very helpful in collating all those files. So that kind of a thing, because there are certain officers, they were very insistent that all these files should be categorized, so that recategorization, so that in the future also it was very easy for them to refer them. Metadata validation, like all the time stamping, the signatures and all whatever was there, so that validation is all. Then we uploaded all those files in a batch. So once the metadata and all those screenings, multiple other screening on a machine level also was done, so that any erroneous data or lesser quality scanned documents, they were pruned out and they were rescanned, and we could ensure that entire data in the Mantralaya, it's now available electronically. So far, what we could do is, now it's one of the most secure this thing. So far we have scanned something around 2.26 lakh files, that amounts to around 1 crore of document pages, which is now searchable, auditable, and as per the latest standards, they are secure in the state data center. Many there, of course, we have a limited bandwidth. It's not, Chhattisgarh is a new state, and yes, there are technical challenges. So right now, some 5 or 6 departments, including the IT, BT, Energy, GAD, Labor Department, they all have come on board. So they are full-fledged. They have actually had has declared the sunset of their manual files. So they are completely electronic. Many other departments also. So it's going to be whichever state actually aspire for similar kind of a this thing. Initially it will be 20 versus 80. 20% of your documents or your files will be electronic, and 80% will be manual. But very soon, when you find that value and everyone finds that this thing, quickly you will see the entire thing turning 80 versus 20, and then all of a sudden you will realize on one day that now there is no manual files, and you can actually declare a sunset for that. I'm sorry, I'm already listening. This was the last slide. So thank you very much. Any questions? Most of
Thank you, Mr. Mariel. We'll have a question answer after the next speaker complete that thing. Then we'll have next speaker.
I just made one very offhand comment. Thank you very much, Mr. Mariel. It's very interesting, and particularly of more interest to a state which is perhaps in a state of transition like ours. Shifting, creation of a new secretariat, etc. These are all perhaps things that we have to learn. But more interesting, number one, do we have any e-governance solutions for this? Should we build our buildings in terms of this ultimate facilitation where a secretariat built can also become a hospital at a later stage? Probably there is hardly any difference between the two. That's a different matter. So these are, ultimately, these are issues which have a lot of commonality in terms of governance. I only hope that you would not have to have the experience of moving back from Naya Raipur to after another government to the old secretariat building, which has happened. And I'm sure you would also not have the experience of going like in Jammu and Kashmir, my friend's place. Karnataka people are familiar. Moving from Bangalore to Belgaum, Belgaum to Bangalore. There is no dearth of competitors for Mr. Tughlaq. The question is, so much of money government money is being spent because of extraneous factors. 500 crores spent on the Secretariat building. There are no takers for that building. I don't know what's been done. I think, Madam, you should be able to tell us by virtue of your staying in Chennai. But what do we do as planners? How do we change the structure to suit perhaps the accommodation? These are all issues. But more important is, should we have files in the Secretariat at all? Should we have layers? Should the Secretariat be spending time on employees' grievances alone, which is the case in most Indian states, I know. In Secretariat, I'm sure most of you would bear with me, 80% of the files relate to individual employee grievances. Officers are held to ransom because of individual employees. Their grievances, court cases, contempt cases, petitions committees, assurances committees, etc. RTA at least I can understand. But individual grievances, not citizen-centric effort. Those of you, I spent 18 long years in the Secretariat. I worked with 2 chief ministers. No political leader, no senior bureaucrat wants to delegate powers. I think that is the bane of administration. I thought I'll just mention this in passing because I know you have had the experience of moving from the old Secretariat to a beautiful Nai Raipur. I only wish that you would not have to repeat the experience of Tamil Nadu. That's all I want.
So one thing I strongly believe, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is one. So these kind of things, they are not new and they will keep on happening. So all we are saying, technology, at least we can virtualize. So whether you are on the airport or where you are, the Sundays now in New Raipur is a big trouble. That Naya Raipur is approximately 20 kilometers away. So that itself becomes a big this thing. Tomorrow there is a Vidhan Sabha question pending, and then you have to ring up all these things. All of them are, they are in hospital, they are seriously ill or something. Very innovative, sir. That can be a good case study. But with this virtualization, all you can say is, please forward that file. I need that. So he can, from his home itself, he can actually forward. And these kind of transitions and all, probably Andhra Pradesh also need to look at.
Thank
Thank you very much. Any other questions? I'll take.